everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Mama MD. On today's video, we'll be doing another look using the Bad Habit Aura palette. I don't know, some people call it Aurora, some say Aura, I don't know, I call it Aurora. Anyways, you guys had asked in my Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money video that I start doing more than one look with these palettes. So I've listened to you guys and what you guys wanted, and that's what this video is all about. You're going to see more videos out here of all the Bad Habit, FaceCandy, and Okaland palettes of, putting together a look completely different than what I did in that video. So if you enjoy these kind of videos, please make sure to hit the like button down below. As well as if you are new to my channel, I do post 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, noon Eastern Standard Time. So if you'd like to see more of my content, please make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the little bell next to it so you can be notified every time that I upload a video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So if you are new to my channel, what I was talking about before is I do videos called Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money? And I take different palettes and I dupe them that are inexpensive and I dupe them against high-end palettes, and we'll see whether or not they're a dupe. Now this one right here is the Bad Habit Aurora palette, and it looks like this. Now this is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and if you hadn't seen that video, I'll make sure to try and remember to link it down in my description box below, where I actually did one eye with the Bad Habit palette, one eye with the Anastasia palette, and we, came up with the same look and figured out whether or not it was a dupe. Now, in that video, I used a lot of the orangey shades and things like that. Today, I think I'm going to change it up and do maybe some of the blues and, this purpley blue shade right here. I don't know. We're going to play around with it and see what we can come up with. I will go ahead and zoom you guys in, and we'll go ahead and get started with a look. Okay, so I'll be right back with my liner and my lashes. Okay, so I'm back with my liner and my lashes. As always, everything that I have on my face will be listed down below in my description box, as well as many as I can. I will put magic links in there. If you guys missed that video that I did, if you do happen to click on the link as well as purchase that item, I do get a little bit of a kickback. So if you guys do that, thank you very much. I do appreciate your help. As far as this look, I think it's a fun look. Now, if you, like I said, I did do a video on this before. Is it a dupe or just a waste of money? Doing a completely different look. And this is a fun, I think this is more of a fun evening look versus like day look. Maybe it's a day glam look. I don't know. But I do like the formula as always. It's a nice, very creamy formula. I will say I use this Vasati brush, and it is very, hold on, let me clean it off. It's a very firm brush. Like there's like, it's just a very firm and dense brush. So while I was packing it on there, I did happen to have some fallout. That's why I went in with my Coty Airspun, which I probably should have done beforehand, and you know, applied it to help with any of the fallout and things like that. But if you guys saw my other video, I really enjoy the Bad Habit formulas. They are very more so like a creamy type of formula versus a dry formula. So I think sometimes you're going to notice a lot of kick up with this palette than you will other palettes. But like I said, I did a whole video on there if you guys really want to check out that video and my thoughts and things like that. I will tell you guys that these eyeshadows do wear very well throughout the day. I am actually testing out the LA Girl Pro Matte HD foundation right now, so I will be doing some check-ins throughout my day all the way to the evening, so you will see how well this lasts. Now I will tell you guys, now I always use a setting spray, so I don't know if that happens to help as far as my eye makeup goes. As far as primer that I used, I actually didn't use a primer today. I just used my ColourPop concealer. I am fighting a really bad sinus headache today, guys, like to the point that it makes my eyeballs hurt. So if I seem off, that is why. I'm just, ugh, the pain. It's just like right in here and here, and I'm just like, oh my God, I'm being a baby. Anyways, so that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to hit that like button down below, as it does help me know that you guys enjoy this, as well as it lets YouTube know you do enjoy my channel. As well as if you're not subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it so you can be notified every time that I upload a video. So until next time, my friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.